Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Criteo retargeting for e-commerce growth, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Criteo retargeting for e-commerce growth, begin by creating a Criteo account. Visit the Criteo website and click on sign up. Fill in the required information, including your business details. Once your account is created, log in to the Criteo dashboard. Next, navigate to the campaigns section. Click on Create Campaign. Select the retargeting option for your e-commerce store. Define your campaign's name and objectives at this stage. Set your budget based on your marketing strategy. Choose the type of ad format you want to use for retargeting. Criteo offers various formats like carousel or banner ads. After selecting the ad format, create engaging ad creatives. Use high-quality images and compelling copy that resonates with your audience. Once your ads are ready, move on to integrating Criteo's tracking solution. Install the Criteo tracking pixel on your website. This pixel will collect visitor data to enable retargeting. Make sure to place the pixel on the pages where you want to track user interactions. Next, set up your product catalog for dynamic retargeting. You can upload your product feed directly through the Criteo dashboard. Ensure that your feed includes all relevant product information and images. Now, configure your audience segments. Identify the behaviors that you want to target, such as visitors who abandon their cart. Customize your retargeting settings based on these audience segments. After setting up your campaign, preview your ads to ensure everything appears correctly. Once satisfied, launch your retargeting campaign. Monitor the performance regularly through the Criteo dashboard. Analyze metrics such as click-through rates and conversions. Adjust your settings if needed to optimize ad performance. Finally, test various ad creatives and audience segments to find what works best for your store. Implementing these steps will help you effectively set up Criteo retargeting and drive e-commerce growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.